Thank you for being here. I'm really glad you found this channel. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit subscribe. It really helps the video reach more people who need this conversation. All right, let's dive in. In the next 10 years, a large percentage of the people watching this video will become economically irrelevant. Not because you're stupid, not because you're lazy, but because machines will outperform you. And you can already feel it, that subtle drop in motivation, that strange emotional flatness, that quiet thought that trying harder won't actually change much. You're not anxious. You're starting to feel replaceable. Stay with me. This isn't about fear. It's about identity. A designer opens Midjourney. She types a prompt. 10 seconds later, an image appears. Sharper, cleaner, better than what took her 2 hours yesterday. She doesn't panic. She goes quiet. A copywriter opens ChatGPT. He enters a topic. A structured draft appears, instantly, and something tightens inside him. I felt this too. The first time I saw AI write something better than me, I didn't feel impressed. I felt smaller. Not because it was perfect, but because it was fast. And for a second I thought, if it can do this in seconds, what exactly am I building my career on? That moment is dangerous. Not because AI is stronger, but because identity was tied to execution. A developer runs AI-assisted code. Bugs disappear in seconds. And the question appears, so what exactly am I here for? Stop, right there. Is AI replacing people? Or is it replacing tasks? AI outperforms humans in repetition, speed, pattern recognition, processing massive amounts of data, template-based execution. But it does not outperform humans in judgment, responsibility, complex decisions, working in chaos, owning consequences. Go back to the designer. Yes, AI can generate 200 logo variations, but it cannot sit in a client meeting and sense insecurity. It cannot understand long-term brand psychology. It cannot build a visual system that evolves over years. And it does not carry responsibility. It generates. It does not decide. The developer? Yes. AI can generate code, but it does not architect systems under real-world pressure. It does not anticipate scaling risks. It does not take legal responsibility when something breaks. It predicts patterns. It does not carry lived experience. The writer? Yes. AI structures text, summarizes research, rewrites content, but it does not build a voice over years. It does not deeply understand culture in real time. It does not think creatively when everything falls apart. It remixes. It does not invent from lived reality. And here's what people forget. We've seen this before. When computers became mainstream, people said accountants were finished. They weren't. They evolved. When the internet exploded, people said businesses would die. Some did. Many transformed. Technology eliminates routine. It does not eliminate adaptability. Now let's be honest. Yes, AI will replace basic data entry, template design, low-level content rewriting, simple repetitive coding, script-based customer support. That's true, but that's predictable labor, not human potential. AI still requires human input, human correction, human supervision, human accountability. It hallucinates. It makes confident mistakes. It misses nuance. And someone must verify it. That someone is human. AI does not create from nothing. It generates from what already exists. It does not have lived experience. It does not feel consequences. It does not improvise when patterns break. Humans do. The real risk is not AI replacing you. The real risk is refusing to adapt. The future professional is not someone who ignores AI, and not someone who fights it. It's someone who integrates it, uses it daily, understands its limits, knows when to trust it, knows when to override it. AI is leverage, not identity. 10 years ago, knowing Excel was impressive. Today, it's expected. The same will happen with AI tools. Using them will be normal. Refusing them will look outdated. So stop asking, Will AI replace my job? Start asking, what part of my work is repetitive? What part requires judgment? What can I automate? What must I deepen? Designers move toward direction. Writers move toward narrative strategy. Developers move toward architecture. Accountants move toward advisory. Support moves toward complex resolution. Execution becomes automated. Decision-making becomes valuable. AI is not your replacement. It is your multiplier, if you let it be. Machines execute faster. Humans adapt faster. Machines predict. Humans improvise. Machines process. Humans create under pressure. AI will replace those who refuse to grow. It will empower those who evolve. The question isn't whether AI is coming. It already has. The question is, what version of you is coming with it?